Hello, Daigle team. Welcome to this month's Daigle Safety Talk. Today we'll be talking about a safety attitude. What is a safety attitude? A good attitude towards safety is key to preventing unnecessary incidents and injuries. Your attitude affects your safety and the safety of everyone around you, whether you are at home or at work. What is the importance of a safety attitude? Why does it matter? It helps in preventing accidents and injuries and also creates a safer workplace that will also impact either positively or negatively the productivity and morale of the overall group. What are the characteristics of a safety attitude? One, awareness, being mindful of potential hazards. Two, responsibility, taking ownership of safety. Three, proactivity, identifying and addressing risk before they cause harm. Four, teamwork, collaborating with others to maintain safety standards. Developing a safety attitude. There are a couple of ways that you can do this. One is by training and education. You can keep up with our Daigle safety talks to learn some more safety information, just as this one. Or you can take classes or courses such as the OSHA 10, OSHA 30, or ISSA certification courses, and much, much more. You can also lead by example or follow those who are leading. We have some many well experienced supervisors, managers, assistant managers, and even technicians in the field who set a great example of having a safety attitude. And last but not least, having an open line of communication, being open to speak up about any safety concerns that you or someone you work with may have. Maintaining a safety attitude. In order to maintain a safety attitude, you will want to maintain your use of personal protective equipment and ensure that you are properly using it and maintaining it. Staying informed by keeping up to date with any new safety protocols and regulations. And last but not least, reporting any hazards as soon as possible. As soon as you see the hazard, feel free to reach out to your supervisor or manager so that we can deal with the situation. Overcoming common barriers. There's some common barriers to a safety attitude. One can be complacency. In order to combat this, you want to stay vigilant even when tasks become routine. Time pressure. Yes, you may have a certain allotted amount of time in order to complete a task, but the best thing for you to do is to learn how to balance your efficiency with your safety. And also peer pressure. You may be pressured by others on the work site to take shortcuts that may not be as safe. But we want to have a culture that encourages safety over shortcuts. In conclusion, we as Daigle Claying Systems want to ensure that everyone on our team has a safety attitude. And this starts with a commitment to safety, leading by example, staying proactive, encouraging open communication, staying vigilant, and being a safety advocate. We all have to play our part in creating a safe environment for all. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this month's Daigle Safety Talk. Please take all the information that you've heard and apply it in ways that you see fit on the job site. We appreciate all that you do, and we look forward to the work that we have coming up in this month. Hope you are enjoying your summer and have a good one.